This is Janice from mostlyblogging.com. I hope that you're interested in how to make money with Instagram because that's what this video is about. Before we get started any further, please hit the subscribe button for more social media monetization tips. Let's go. I want you to subscribe to get the information and to have a chance for a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Jody Fett. Jody, congratulations. You're gonna love these tips. Many people think to make money on Instagram, you need a whole boatload of followers, millions of followers even. So not true. As a matter of fact, my little dog, Big Mac, is here with me to tell you that you don't need a massive amount of followers because micro-influencers, people with fewer followers, are more in demand than influencers with millions of followers. So sit back. There are many services, free services, that will help you to monetize your Instagram account. This video is going to review 4 of them. Why did I pick these 4? It's because I have used them myself and I am familiar with them and I can vouch for them. The first service that I want to talk to you about today is called Activate. Activate once offered me $1,000 to be able to come in and videotape me in my home. The reason the company wanted to show an influencer in their home. Did I apply for the gig? No, I did not. I don't have a new home, and that was the criteria. But it does give you the kind of idea of what you will find on Activate. Look, some of these services will pay you cash, like Activate. Others will give you free merchandise. Let's hear about some more. The next company I want to talk about today is called Influence. When you sign up for influence.co, you do tell them your demographics of your Instagram account, for instance. You tell them how many followers you have, the gender breakdown, and so on. I was chosen by an influence.co brand. Let me tell you about it. They sent me free dog treats so that I could make a commercial with my dog. I want to let you know why they chose me. I am not a pet blogger, but I did have Instagram posts showing my dogs. I sent them one of those posts, and sure enough, they felt I was experienced enough to be representing their brand. Let's move on. But before we do, if you know of any services, free services that will help people monetize their Instagram account, please write them in the chat. The next service I want to talk about is called SeedingUp. Of the 4 services I am reviewing, I have made the most money with SeedingUp. The way SeedingUp works is this. You tell the company how much money you are willing to accept. So I told them how much I was willing to accept for blog posts, Instagram posts, Twitter posts, and so forth. And they picked me several times to post articles on my blog for them. I wrote the articles and they paid me the money. I will give you a word of advice if you are going to sign up for SeedingUp. You should lowball yourself, and the reason is if you price yourself out of the market, they'll just pick somebody who's asking for less money. One reason I really like SeedingUp, and I think you will also, is that SeedingUp comes with a free human account manager. So if ever you feel you're not making money with SeedingUp, just contact your account manager. They're there to help guide you to make money. The last company I want to review today is called Valued Voice. I was also chosen by the company. They contacted me and they asked me to tweet something for one of their brands, and that tweet paid $10. I really appreciate you watching today. I hope you will subscribe for more social media monetization tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.